Hey, I'm Seth with Land House. My dad just gave me this Meguiars Headlight restoration kit. Thought I would try it here on my car. So this is a 14-year-old car and the headlights are super yellow and foggy. So basically this kit comes with a steel wool brush, the cleaning solution, and then the clear coat that goes on top. So I'm just going to put some tape around the metal here to keep it from getting on that, I guess all the way around the light. And then we will clean it and spray it. So let's try it out real quick. Now it says, you know, it's thoroughly coated with this cleaning solution when it's foggy. Okay, we're done. There's the masking tape. Let's go ahead and get a before on that and a before on this one. So you can see it's pretty cloudy. All right. Use this solution. It says a quarter size dollop on there. That'll probably be good enough. Use this little pad. It says you can apply multiple times as needed. I just wiped that one down and I think it may actually be a little bit clearer. And this one is almost dry, but I gave it a lot more elbow grease. So let's see how that one's doing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a couple more applications here and see if it will clear up some, but I honestly think it is somewhat better already. So a couple more tries. Yeah, using more elbow grease is better because that one's not nearly as clear as that one is. So let's try this again. This time I'm going to apply a lot more generously since this is pretty well gone. And then I'm gonna give it a good coating. Like that. And then really dig in there and try to get that yellow out of there. All right, I'm gonna go one more time making the third coat here. And I'm actually finding that the pads are big enough for a palm to fit on. So you can kind of put it here on your palm and really work it in. So let me spread this out a touch here. And then you can just take your palm and really cut in there. Give it some good pressure. Wiping this clean with a dry cloth first, and I'm gonna come back with a wet cloth and make sure it's all off of there. Okay, here's a wet paper towel. Ooh, look at that. That's impressive. Headlights haven't been that clean in 10 years. Wonder if this one will do that. Not quite. It's a little bit smoky on this side, but way better than it was. This one, that's going to be real nice. I've given both of these some time to dry off, and now we're going to supply this headlight coating here. Just shaking up well. I'm going to put several strips on here. Man, look at that. Was not expecting it to be that clean. Let's see how this one does, being the cloudier version. That is quite impressive. It definitely has not been that clean in a long time. Okay, well that's Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. I didn't buy this, my dad gave it to me. There's a link in the description down below to the Amazon page where you can buy this for about 17 bucks. And as you can see, it is making a huge difference. So here is the side-by-side before and after. And it looks so much better. This one probably could have used several more coats here. This is the side that faces the sun where I park most of the time, so it just makes sense that that would be the side that has the more yellowing effect. But I'm happy with it. I don't know how long this is going to last, but considering the condition it was in, it's got to be much better than it was. Now the spray, it says you can reapply more often and keep your headlights good. So I imagine it does come off some as the sun beats down on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.